Alright guys, we are in the secret showroom in Hyundai, and the media are here, but this is a secret preview of the all-new Sonata. Now this Sonata is based on this sensuous sporty concept, so it's supposed to be sporty and at the same time sensuous. So you can see the trim and all, they try to make it look sensuous, maybe sexy, and at the same time it's sporty. The sporty part is you can see here at the tail end the coupe-like look. So, and look at the rear lights, aerodynamic rear lights, and the rear end of the car really looks very sexy. And this car is very wide. The width is 1860 mm, overall length is 4900 mm, and the wheelbase is long, is 2840. So this is a D segment sedan. Now engine is a 2.5 liter MPI, and it gives you a horsepower of 180 PS and 235 Newton meters of torque. Here's another view from the side. 18-inch wheels are standard, and lights are LED, and of interest is this daytime running lights, and these are specially designed with different level of penetration, brighter at the front and it tapers off towards the end, and of course the lights are also LED. Now this car comes with traction control, ESP, and they have a blind spot monitor, which is interesting. When you have your signal on your instrument panel, you can see a camera that is actually mounted on the side. It shows you a view of the side of the car, much like what Honda have, but except that the screen is on your meter panel. Heads-up display is standard, and here's taking a look at the inside. The interior is pretty good with two-tone color, and I like this brown leather. Okay, looks like there are 6 airbags minimum. We don't know if there's a knee airbag, we'll know that later. And here is a look at the instrument panel, and the interior looks really nice. And here's a quick look at the gear shift. The gear shift lever doesn't have a gear shift lever, it just has all the buttons, and you just press them to get the gear you want. I'm sure there's some safety systems there that prevent you from accidentally engaging reverse or neutral while you're driving fast. Not too sure about that yet until we see the actual car. And the drive mode selection is here. There are quite a few drive modes. So from what you can see here, the driver's seat is electrical control. Steering wheel is very nice size, and look at the dashboard. The two-tone color is so striking, really nice. That's the left signal, and now we're going to go right signal. And so the left and right side of the meter changes according to the signal. Now I'm signaling left, and then you can see the view on the left hand side. This is the gear shift lever,
and then we have 4 drive modes for this car. You can see the drive mode. Yeah, you can just press like this.
Yeah, drive mode.
So this is sport. Can you close the rear door, Eugene, for Shawan?
Okay, drive mode,
Eco,
comfort, sport, and smart. Okay.
Okay, this car is meant for targeted for the Y generation. So that's why, for example, if you want to use or you want to know how to use this AVN, basically we have this manual online. Okay, so can we put it in P position, please?
Sorry, yeah.
Okay, so they will come up with this QR code, which is you just scan with your phone. Okay,
and then you can tune on the phone.
So you can check. For example, if you want to hook up your phone via Bluetooth, so we will show you step by step using this phone. So we show you, okay, for example, the menus on how you want to connect your phone. So it's Yeah, you need to flip open the normal book, whereas you can just use the QR code.
Okay, fine.
Okay,
Good.
So this is something new technology that we are trying to implement on for this Sonata. Okay, so whenever that you press this one, so basically we show you the acceleration, and also the speed distribution during your drive. So basically you know how you control your brakes, how you control your throttle. So this one is...
This is called telemetrics.
Yes, correct.
Driving telemetrics.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is in a executive sedan.
Yeah.
Very interesting.
Okay.
Sensuous
Sportiness.
Okay, here's a look at the aircon controls. This is a 2-zone or 4-zone?
It's a 2-zone dual aircon.
2-zone at the back?
Yeah, with the rear aircon vent at the back.
Okay, and okay, here's something very interesting. This is the gear shift.
Yeah,
okay, so it's, and you just use your push button to go neutral, or you can go reverse, or P or D. Yeah. So there is no more gear shift lever.
Yeah. And
okay.
we have the
and of course, yeah, beautiful. We have the panel shifters, and the steering size is 13.5 inches. Very good. This is the digital dashboard, but it gets analog meters, which is good. Okay, there's a warning that says the bonnet is open, and this is a brilliant executive car. We don't know what is the price, but don't be surprised if we get a very competitive price. And look at the interior, man. Lovely, soft, two-tone, nice brown and hard, soft with some chrome lining. And up here, you see, oh, the aircon louvers are quite neat. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And say hi, Satria.
Hi,
okay,
everybody.
Satria is our motoring guide, and this is the panoramic sunroof. Whoa! Look at that! Isn't that great, guys? So here's a quick look at the back. This is a preview, yeah. This is the Hyundai Sonata, and it really looks nice. I like the brown leather. Okay, just remember this is a preview, so some of the plastic parts are there, but this is the rear seat, and it really looks so nice and comfortable. And at the rear you get the aircon louvers, and up there you have a panoramic sunroof. This is the boot, 510 liters, and it's humongous.
And then tire mobility.
There's a mobility kit, no spare tire, sorry guys. And just have a quick last look. The brakes are of course solid disc at the back, and at the front is ventilated disc. So what's the rear suspension like?
It's a multi-link.
Okay, the rear is multi-link and front is MacPherson strut. So this is just a preview. When at launch you see a bit more detail.